Now, past perfect. If you remember the pattern we have with the present tense, it's gonna be the same thing with the past tense. But now, for the past perfect, we're gonna go back to our marker T. And this is the marker for past perfect. And use some complementary words to indicate also that the action was before some other action, or it was like will in the past. Now, the example will be when t'es dansé avant ou rivé, ou t'es rivé. Moi t'es dansé avant ou t'es rivé. Moi t'es dansé avant ou t'es rivé. Which means I had danced before you arrived. I have danced before you arrived. So, moi t'ai dansé avant ou t'es arrivé. Okay? It's back to the te, the simple past marker, and some kind of other word which mean like avant, to say, okay, that was in the past before the other action. So, I have danced before you arrive. Moi t'ai dansé avant ou t'es arrivé. Moi t'ai gêtant manger avant ou t'es venu. Moi t'ai gêtant manger avant bal la commence. Moi t'ai gêtant. Okay? You can use avant, gêtant, déjà, depending on what you're trying to say, okay?
Please spell my man along, no.